Hello Taurus, welcome to Indiana 11 Tarot. This is your love reading from 16th September to 30th September. Being a general reading, not all messages might resonate with you, so keep whatever resonates. Let's see Taurus, what's there for you? Two of Wands. So this is like you are waiting, you are waiting and watching. So from a distance you are, maybe you are also trying to find out things about your person, or you are keeping an eye on them. So but at a distance, you may be at a distance, or that you are mentally at a distance from them. This talks about this, but you are keeping whereabout. This could also be their energy. Sometimes that they could be keeping all tabs on you, and they are at a distance from you right now. This is what I get here from Two of Wands. What else for Taurus? Six of Pentacles. So Six of Pentacles calls for in relationship, it's like bread crumbling. So your person did not give you that attention, the time, the love that was required. They were like more self-obsessed, or they had other important priorities, or they were seeing someone else. So they were, occasionally, sending you a message, or they were just occasionally, confusing kind of message, just to not let you go, but did not want to commit, or they weren't into you, like into the relationship. So there was a major imbalance. There was like you were doing the things and they did nothing. So bread crumbling, this is what I get here. Six of Pentacles, very little they offered Taurus to you, and you were the one who was trying to balance, who are trying to get things right. So let's see what else. Three of Cups. This is like here intuitively, otherwise I know this is a card of celebration, but I feel that with this bread crumbling, for some of you, your person is seeing someone else also. It's a third party situation, it's a love triangle, Taurus. This is what I feel here. They are seeing someone else and also bread crumbling you. This is they might be bread crumbling you. This is what I see here. Although it seems that they like you, they don't want to leave you. But they are disconnected, and they do not show emotions. Somewhere they think about you sometime, but they might be seeing someone else also. This is what I get. The Hierophant. So here I get, maybe it could be like they wanting a commitment, or you wanting a commitment from them. Maybe you wanted to get married to this person. Maybe you wanted to make a engaged or get married, or you wanted a long-term relationship with the Hierophant card, but they were not ready to commit. Your person ran away from commitment. So this is what I get. This is like they ran away from this commitment. They are basically, because here I told you there could be third party situation, that it could be also they like that attention they get from others. So that here what I got. So it's basically there is an issue with the commitment here in this relationship. So let's see what else for Taurus. Death. So finally it seems that you gave up on this, or you felt that this relationship was going nowhere, or they walked off. So this relationship is like going. I feel that this Death card is a Scorpio card, Hierophant is a Taurus again, Cups energy is Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Then you have Pentacle, Capricorn, Virgo, and Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, and again you have the Wand energy. So you have all. That card shows, of course, some of you are letting go this person, letting go of this relationship, or they are letting go this relationship. So then here comes a Death card. For you it's very painful to let go, I feel, because this card is of yours. I feel, Taurus, that you are finally letting go of this relationship. You are fed up of the play away, breadcrumbing you. So you want a new cycle now. You will transform to a new cycle. So that card, transformation is never easy. It's a very painful process. Taurus. So what I feel here is that, you know, even if you do not want this, like you but it is telling you to let go of the past and start off with a new cycle, so that a new cycle, a transformed cycle, will come to you. This is what I see here. This is a Scorpio card. What else for Taurus? So here it shows that, yes, you can see here, so death with the Virgo. This is a Virgo card here, Hermit. It shows that, you know, now maybe some of you are healing from this breakup. Some of you are taken, you have you know, left this relationship and you are healing. Some of you are, see the energies, you can just put 15 days plus minus and plus minus both sides, because energy keeps flowing. So it might have happened to you, or it is happening to you in this phase, or it might happen to you after September. So this is what I get here. So of course you are in that solitude mode, you are healing now, you are single, some of you, and you are trying to seek peace, inner peace. You know, you are trying this divine spiritual thing to, for your own, I mean, you are trying to seek peace. That is what I hear, and you are healing from this relationship. Some of you are healing from this relationship. I think your person never expressed their love. They showed disconnected, but I see they are also stressed now, maybe because you left this relationship or you have moved on, so it makes them stressed. What else for Taurus? Knight of Wands. Now I feel that this is like for singles, this is the energy here. For singles, there is you know, a person, or this is a fire sign, could be coming rushing into your life. And also for some of you whose relationship is, you know, you left and you just healing. For some of you, your ex might come back rushing. This is what I get. Intuitively I got, you know, suddenly I picked this card and it's like singles, but then I, you know, just looking into the card, your person must have realized that you are leaving them and you are, you know, moving on and you are healing, or you have decided, so they might come rushing in. But again, you understand this Taurus, this energy is like, you know, it's fiery energy, it's very passionate, it comes very fast and moves on away again very fast. So this will be a total repeat of the cycle. It will be like going in circles all the time. Whenever they feel, you know, because they like this breadcrumbing, they want to keep you all the time. They don't want you to move on, but stick with them all the time. So whenever they feel that you are trying to move on away from them, they will rush in, and then as soon as things get a little better, they will move back. So this is the cycle that your person, this is a game like they are playing. For singles, again I tell you, there is a very fiery person, so go slow here, because the more faster it comes, the more faster. So the same logic applies here, that go slow, you know, things will last then. So here then you can see here that, you know, of course there is a message from your person coming to you when they realize that, you know, you have moved on or you are moving back. It might not resonate for all of you here. Certain things will resonate for some of you, certain things will resonate, you know, some energies will resonate for the others. So this is what I get. For some, of course, there is a message, or they themselves approaching you, and this is it, Taurus. So if you do like my readings, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for taking your time out and watching the video. Thank you.